Hey guys, it's Friday, June 18th, 2021, and we have 6 eBay orders going out. Tried to do the intro a little different this time, but yeah, we have 6 eBay orders going out today on this Friday. We still might get a couple more later on throughout the day, but these are the ones that should make it to the post office. That will make it to the post office today. And if there's any other orders by 2 o'clock today, they will make it to the post office today. So the first thing we have going out is this Radio Shack 181 channel cable converter. I'm not even sure where I got this from though. I really don't. I cannot remember. I think it came from that bulk buy with the person that was moving out of state. But it was new open box. It sold for $9.99 plus shipping. Next up was a golf shirt. This was the Ashworth 2007 US Open Oakmont US Open Medical Committee Polo. 2X or XL right there. It has the medical committee logo on this side. Picked this up, I think, at Goodwill. Or no, thrift store. Thrift store is where this came from. Probably paid $1 or $2. So it sold for $7.05 plus shipping. Next up, and I'm so glad this thing is out of here. New England Patriots foam hat. Yeah. I'm not even sure why this is in my house. As you know, we're Steelers fans. Definitely not Patriot fans. As you can see, I have a Green Bay Packers shirt on, and that was because I was hoping last year that they were going to beat the Buccaneers and actually go to the Super Bowl, because I am an Aaron Rodgers fan. But we know what happened there. Brady was Brady. So, but this actually finally sold. We picked this up at the local Goodwill. I think it was only like $2 or $3. It sold for $12.99 plus shipping, but it has been here a while. We've had a ton of watchers on it. I finally sent out an offer, sent out a couple offers, and finally somebody actually snagged it. So next up was a VHS tape. It was the Walt Disney masterpiece, Fantasia. It's sealed, never been opened. Actually really good shape. Probably paid 50 cents, maybe 99 cents. This sold for $12.99 plus shipping. VHS tapes can be so hit or miss, and I've been picking them up now to sell with VHS players, but if I do find sealed ones, I try to pick them up, especially the Disney ones, because usually the sealed ones actually do okay. Next up, we have the Power A Nintendo 2DS, 3DS Animal Crossing case. This is the last one I have, finally. I think I had 6 of these. Picked these all up from Marshall's when they were on sale. I think we had $2 into them. So this one sold for $6.09 plus shipping. So I'm actually glad this thing is finally gone. The last thing going out in this video, and it actually just sold. So this was kind of cool. It was sitting right next to me, was this Commonwealth Soap Company Lavender Soap. Brand new bar of soap. It's a 10-ounce bar of soap. I'm not a fan of lavender, so I'm glad this is actually getting out of here. So that's all we have going out today. But I know I said in some previous videos that we're going to pick some people who comment on our videos and whatnot and just give them a shout out in a future video. Today's shout out is going to go to Angie. I'm hoping I don't mess up his last name. From. She comments on almost every single video. She joined one of the lives I was in, and she also bought us 3 coffees. She bought me, the middle Yinzer, and the Yinzer mom for their birthdays. So we really appreciate that. And thank you so much for doing it. And thank you for commenting and everything. And we hope to have something good coming out soon. So me and Angie have been in talks to possibly do something. So keep your eyes open for that one. But until next time, guys, that's all we have going out. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy, keep picking. Bye.